Hey, this is Raul from Tutor Ming, and today we're talking about numbers in Chinese. And Chinese people like to use hand gestures for each number, and we'll be talking about those today as well. So, starting with E1, and its hand gesture is the standard index finger pointing up. In fact, you'll realize that the hand gesture for the first 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are all the same hand gestures most of you are probably used to. After 5, things get a bit more interesting, so let's continue. R, 2, kind of like a pirate, or a cute dog. R, 3, 3, 4, 4, like you're saying silk, but without the LK. 4, 5, 6, 6, and yes, it does sound like the name Leo. And notice the hand gesture is just like the shaka sign commonly seen in Hawaii. Leo. The next number, 7, 7. The sign gesture here is your index finger and your middle finger touching your thumb and point your fingers in a horizontal direction. 8. Simply have your hand in the shape of a handgun. 9. Pretty much a fist, but with your index finger popping up to make a hook. 10. A simple fist. 10. But don't turn it around, because that means something else. And for the bigger numbers above 10, like 11, you say 10 and 1, because 10 plus 1 is 11. 11. So 12 is 10 and 2. 12, etc. Now 20 is 2 and 10. 20. 21 is 2 and 10 and 1. 21. 22 is 2 and 10 and 2. 22. 30, 40, 50, etc. are all the same way. 30 is 3 and 10. 30. The number 40 is 4 and 10. 40. And you get the point. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now try for yourself how to say 54, 32, and 87 in Chinese. If you said 54, 32, and 87, you're so good. You got them all right. If not, it's okay. Repeat this video and share it with your friends. Like this video if you enjoyed and want us to make more videos just like this one. Subscribe and check out tutorming.com for more in-depth Chinese learning. The link for a free trial class will be in the description below. Bye-bye.